Hello my friends, this is SHYSKY. This short video is recorded to display how the pump works when it is powered by insufficient power supply. Less powerful power supply, and also by the normal matching DC power supply. About this SHYSKY DC60G-24120S-1 model, the parameters: 24 volts DC rated power consumption, rated power consumption 120 watts, and the working current 5 amps at 24 volts DC power supply. And the recommended DC power supply, if it is the AC/DC power adapter, the adapter is recommended to be with output capacity of 24 volts, at least 6 amps. Of course, for leaving certain parameter margin space, it is more recommended to be with current capacity of 7 amps. Okay, it's a brief introduction. And here I will use this small, obviously less powerful DC power supply to run this pump to see its performance. And then I will use a normal power supply to do the parallel comparison test. This is an abnormal DC power supply with just the output capacity of 1.5 amps, namely 36 watts, and this pump 120 watts. Okay, it's a water pumping system, so we will place this pump on the water, and then at first we will power the insufficient, less powerful power supply to run this pump. Okay, let's plug. Let's inspect the performance of this pump. Less powerful and work discontinuous, very weak. Actually, this power supply is in status of overloading at this moment, and this could easily kill this power supply. It cannot offer sufficient power to run this pump in the water pumping system, so it is abnormal. Instead, it is recommended that we change the pump to be powered by a matching DC power supply. And this is the power supply with indicators being displayed, which can display the real power consumption and working current at this moment. And we change this power supply to run this pump, 20 volts DC60G pump. We connect it and see how the pump works when being powered by the matching DC power supply. This is the matching DC power supply, and the pump runs normally, continuously, and powerfully. In the meantime, we can inspect the parameter of this pump: 24 volts DC, 5 amps working current, and 120 watts power consumption. Let's feel the pump's working performance. Okay, we can obviously feel that the less powerful power supply is not okay to run this pump. Sometimes overslinging the cable connection will result in similar abnormal scenario to the pump's work. And then it is necessary for us to offer the sufficient power supply. AC/DC power adapter must be with output power capacity of at least 24 volts DC, 6 amps, or even 8 amps to run this 120 watts DC60G pump. Okay, thank you.